Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Sussex, is no stranger to controversy. Her every move, from her departure from the British royal family to her candid interviews, has been scrutinized under a microscope. Now, she's venturing into a new arena, the culinary world. Her upcoming Netflix series, With Love, Meghan, promises an intimate look at her life through the lens of food. However, the initial trailer has already ignited a firestorm of criticism, with acclaimed actor Bily delivering a scathing critique live on the Graham Norton Show. Porter, known for his flamboyant style and outspoken personality, didn't mince words when discussing the trailer. "Frankly, it looks amateurish," he declared, a ripple of surprise washing over the studio audience. The production values seem low budget, and Meghan's presentation lacks the charisma one would expect from someone of her stature. This blunt assessment immediately sparked debate. Social media erupted with a flurry of opinions, ranging from staunch support for Meghan to scathing condemnation of her perceived lack of professionalism. Critics pointed to the trailer's apparent lack of polish, citing the seemingly rushed editing and the somewhat awkward on-screen presence of the Duchess. Some even questioned her culinary credentials, suggesting that the series might be more about showcasing her lifestyle than her actual cooking skills. "It's all about branding," declared renowned food critic Antonella Rossi, in an interview with a leading news outlet. "Meghan is trying to build a personal brand, and food is just another avenue for her to do so. But the execution, at least from the trailer, seems underwhelming. There's a distinct lack of authenticity, a sense that it's all a bit contrived." Rossi's critique resonated with many viewers who felt that the trailer lacked genuine passion for food. "It felt more like a lifestyle show than a cooking show," commented one viewer on social media. Where's the excitement for the ingredients? The joy of the culinary process? It all seemed a bit forced. The controversy surrounding the trailer also reignited the ongoing debate about Meghan's public image. Critics argued that the series was yet another attempt by the Duchess to maintain her celebrity status and control the narrative surrounding her life. "She's constantly seeking attention," claimed a royal commentator, "and this cooking show is just another way to stay in the limelight." However, Meghan's supporters vehemently defended her right to pursue her passions and build a career outside of royal duties. "She's a talented woman," argued a prominent feminist writer, "and she should be allowed to explore her interests without facing such intense scrutiny." The criticism is sexist and unwarranted. The debate surrounding With Love, Meghan is far from over. As the release date draws closer, anticipation and anxiety is mounting. Will the series live up to the hype or the criticism? Will it be a culinary masterpiece or a PR disaster? Only time will tell.